Hi, it's John, and I just wanted to do a real fast product review of the Milwaukee heated hoodie and the heated jacket. So a year ago, I purchased the jacket. So this you can see is the XL, and next to it is a large heated hoodie. So it's got the hood. They both have heating elements. The coat has a heating element in the chest area as well as the back at the same area. And then if you can see the button here, there's actually a second heated zone that you can turn off independently for the pockets where your hands would go into, obviously. With the hoodie, there is no heating element for the hands. So as I indicated, I've had this for a year. The hoodie I just got probably about 2 months ago at the beginning of the fall season. So this is my thoughts on it after having it for a year. So the person that originally referred me to this, and I'll put a link to their YouTube channel in the description below, had suggested going larger. So I'm generally speaking about 205, 215 at 5'10". Your typical waist, I want to say my shirts are probably, I want to say a 42 chest, 43 with dress shirts. And so the XL was way too large for me. I sort of pondered on it for a while, whether I just wanted to keep it too large because I like the fact that it hangs down so low. But and eventually, whenever I did decide to send it back, it was too late because the supply house that I got from was completely sold out. So whenever I got the jacket, or I'm sorry, the hoodie, I went smaller. I went with the large. So I'll throw those on real quick and you can see the differences. But before I go into that, I also wanted to show, so with the jacket, I got everything. So I got it with the quick charger and with a 3-amp battery. So the 3-amp battery went bad on me within probably a month or two. And I think the reason that happened is the battery went dead on it. I put it away, pulled it back out, forgot that it was dead, and I turned it back on again. So I think it just took the battery too far low. So I called Milwaukee. They were supposed to send me a new one, and it never arrived. But then I remembered an old trick where you can take the battery, plug it into the charger, wait about 10 seconds, pull it out. Plug it back in, wait about 10 seconds, pull it out. Do that 3 or 4 times, and it was able to charge it again. I still occasionally have problems where I have to do that to get this to charge. But at least, it's a working battery. So when you get the jacket with the charger and the battery, it comes with this, which is considered like a mini charger, and then this is the 1.5, and then I've also got a 3-amp. So you just slide this in here, and then you have a power supply cable. You'll plug that in to charge. It has a button, so you can see this is about 50% charge. And then the jacket plugs in here. So there's a cord that plugs in, and then now you can turn it on. Hold this for about 4 seconds, and so now it's heating the vest. Do the same thing for the pockets, and now it's heating both. So we'll turn that back off real quick. So with the jacket, the hoodie, I did not get it with anything. It was the hoodie only. And so in that case, what it comes with is this. So you'll notice that there's no buttons, there's no USB to charge, there's nothing. There's just this. So it's the same connector, obviously, between the two. You just slide the battery in. Okay, so I'm gonna throw them on real quick, and then you'll see them. So this is the coat. It does have a separate pocket right here. You have the 2 hand pockets, and then you have a separate zipper that's for the battery right here. So the good and the bad. So the thing I don't like about this is even when you take the battery and you connect it, you can put it in here, and you can either have it forward, so it's in your pocket, or it slides to the back. So of course you wouldn't do this in your car. Actually, that's about to fall off the back. So there you can see the first problem. The second problem is, so you zip this and you think that it's secure, right? But it's not. So when I'm outside playing with the dogs and I reach down often to pick up the toy and throw it, inevitably what happens is the battery starts to work its way forward, and then eventually the next time I bend over, boom, it falls out. That is super, super annoying. So I don't like that. Really honestly though, that's the only downside to the coat. Everything else I like about it, it's held up, it's warm. Definitely if you have to go between being too loose or too tight, I would say it's what's important to you. If warmth is important, go a little tight. If being able to breathe and change out what you're wearing, go a little bit big. So this is the hoodie. You can see it just has the one button. There's no battery, so it's not going to do anything right now. So it's got the side zipper. Plug this in. Now with this one, once you put the battery in and you zip it, it's secure. It's not going anywhere. It's staying back here. Now the only downside to this is if you sit down like in your car, you've got this in your back. So that's the only downside to the hoodie. I think the interface is a little bit easier. I can do this, press it once, it shows 2 bars, press it again, 1 bar, so high, medium, low. With the jacket, it changes colors. So it's red, blue, white to show the 3 different levels. So I think overall, I'm much happier with the hoodie. It's a little bit tighter. It's got these pockets. I wish it had like a higher pocket, like the jacket does. It doesn't have anything inside. But I think overall I like this better. It does have like a little smaller pocket, so you can put keys or something that you don't want, your phone, maybe for the two to rub them against each other, put something where your hand's not hitting it. But I like the hoodie. Super, super happy with it. But as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.